Log into the 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add Now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country/region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully, you can start using. Open Microsoft Edge and click on More Settings in the upper right corner. Click on Settings. In the left sidebar, select System. In the line that opens your computer's proxy settings, click on the icon to the right. Turn on Use a Proxy Server. Enter the host and port extracted from 711Proxy. Click Save. This way our proxy is configured, so start using it.